If you want to search for distressed property, all you need to do is put in a city, state, and or zip. Come over to the More Filters button. And then I am going to search for public record. The reason I'm searching for public record is because when a property first goes into distress, a list pendants is filed, and it is filed at the county level at the Register of Deeds. So it's not going to be in MLS because it's not for sale. And then I can come over and choose my type of property. So let's just say I want just single family. And then I have the ability to scroll down and I can choose the type of foreclosure. So I do not want ones that the bank owns because I want to try and sell the property for them before it gets to that. So I can choose my dates, but for right now, I'm just going to go ahead and leave that blank. And then I can scroll down and put in any information that I want. I'm just going to go ahead and say update and search. And I see that I now have 6 properties that are distressed that I could potentially market to. So I can either just print from here, I can come over here and click the print button, print that information out, or I can go to the mailing label buttons if I wanted to send them a mailing. And you can do Avery labels if you choose. I prefer the CSV file. I always send it to the tax billing address, typically the owner name, but tax billing usually goes to the owner. And then I don't really care about the occupancy type. I'm excluding listed properties, those that are on the do not mail list, and then properties with an incomplete address. Just go ahead and click export. And now I have a CSV document that has the information that I need. Most of the time you will not find a phone number within RPR, so you'll have to do that research on your own.